We're doing it on Omega. Okay, this is 356 R1. DRYTRON versus Dinos. There we go. I decided to get Zeta with emergency. Normal summon Diviner. Sent to the graveyard. Arclight effect, Ben10. Okay. Zeta Ben10. Zeta effect, add the ritual. Ben10. Get Natasha. Wanted to go for like a Natasha play here. Maybe on a DRYTRON tribute for Natasha. Natasha's effect, target itself, gain half attack. Convert Dragoon. Set Imperm. And that's it. I got a Natasha in the grave for next play. Whoa. Just holding it? Oh, you can just hold it. I negated Lost World, discard, die to 10. Fossil Dig for Oviraptor. Normal summon Oviraptor and I impermed them. And he chained it with Pancratops. Pancratops will kill Ferte. Oviraptor got negated. Activated Dragonic Diagram. Destroy one other card you control. Okay, destroyed. Guy, not that guy. Then he banished those two for Conductor. What did he get? Guess he had it in his hand. Effect. Switch to defense. Attack. Effect. Minus 1,000. Well, I drew Diviner. But I had that Natasha in there. Natasha effect. Banish Cyber Angel. Target a monster. Take control of it. Natasha effect. Target. Gain half the attack. Oh, some Diviner effect. Send Eva. I had 2 to banish. So I had a backup play right there. What the? Zeta. I thought I was gonna get 4 monsters here, but if I would have not did sent Diviner, sent Evo from Diviner, I could have had 4 monsters, but medium DRYTRON, decrease, attack, add back from grave, and then I summoned Natasha again, activate its effect again, target, gain half the attack, for Nightmare Phoenix, effect, discard, destroy, spell or trap, battle, Tyranno, direct, Phoenix direct, just going to Miscellaneousaurus. I negated with orange light, sending Diviner. Say send? Yeah, send. And he activated, banished Miscellaneousaurus for Archosaur, and then I just activated the Tyranno and destroy, flip face down, and Archosaur was not able to get its effect. And for its normal summon resolved. What did I do there? Zeta Delta. Meteon's DRYTRON, decrease, add, delta zeta, delta effect, reveal, spell a trap or rituals. Draw a card, drew alpha, Meteon's DRYTRON, Benten, tribute alpha from the hand, alpha from the grave, tribute Benten, add Draconids. Benten, add ultimateness, then Natasha, banish Cyber Angel, take control. Flip. Natasha, target, can't have to attack. Those two for IP. Those two for Boral Sword. Battle, and let's do wins. Flawless victory. Perfect. There we go. Round 2. Come on. Duel. I sided in. Oh, there's only 2 Drolls and 2 Dark Ruler, and then the other one was 2 Lancia. You upstart, you added Droll and Lockbird. Double evolution pill, okay. What was that? And Phantasme. Nemesis Corridor, okay. End his turn. Dark Ruler no more. Cyber Emergency, Alpha, Alpha Zeta, N10 is trying to negate, but it's negated. Or it's trying to flip face down. Zeta N10. Fafnir, dump Gamma. Almost summon Diviner. Send Arclight, add Ultimateness. Meteon's DRYTRON for ultimateness. I thought it was able to attack. I was like, why did I put them in attack mode? Should have put them in defense. Dark Ruler no more. Decrease, add back from grave, activate, detach from Fafnir. Beatrice, I should have put in defense as well. Activate effect, detach, and send Eva. Eva effect, banish those 2. And get those 2. Gamma, tribute, Fafnir. Effect, special summon. Link off for Verte, copy red as fusion. Dragoon, pop. Completely forgot about, not completely, but I should have put these guys in defense. Takes no damage in phase 2. Verte, target, make it a dark, but negate a Dragoon. Negate, destroy, gain 1000 attack. Terraforming, I just negate it. And then chained it with Beatrice, sending Eva, banish, and let's do wins. Flawless. Oh, that wasn't flawless. God damn it. At minus 200 from Dragoon. Did we get the deck from that? We didn't get the deck, I don't think. Go like that. Go to decks. No, that person's not sharing their deck. I don't know how you not share your deck. We're at 1507, we're at 1517, 181. Oh wait, Yeah, we went from... I don't know if I gain anything there. Not sure. So with this, there's a way where you could like lock your deck or something. Auto deck test room. Where? Settings. Where? I don't know. Comment, share. I'll give you sub if you liked it. See you guys.